Hello, I would like to introduce you a rearview mirror dashcam AZDOME PG17. This version of the mirror dashcam is the updated version with Wi-Fi on board. You can see the Wi-Fi logo on the box. The box itself is designed on the way to provide maximum safety for the mirror dashcam during transportation. The mirror surface and the sides protected by foam, plus the mirror surface protected by protective foil. I already take out the mirror dashcam from this white cardboard part inside of the box and installed them above the main rear view camera of the car with special rubber parts. Let's review what we have inside of the box. We have these white cardboard parts, these two holes used for fixing the camera during transportation. Inside of the box we have one special plastic tool which helps us to install the cabling inside of the car. We have a cleaning wipe. We have GPS sensor which connecting to the camera with 3.5mm jack, and we can use the double-sided sticky tape to mount it somewhere where we want. We want an additional set of rubber fixing parts if we have a bigger side of the rear view mirror and necessary to use same this part. We have sticky pads for the cable management. We have rear view camera. The camera have full HD resolution and IP67 protection. But based on my experience from before, I made an additional insulation from water with hot melt glue. We have the cable for connecting the rear view camera to the main mirror. For connection to the mirror, it's used 2.5mm jacks. The diameter of the jacks is different, 2.5 and 3.5mm, to avoid the misconnection. From another part we have the connector with red wire. This red wire needs to be connected to the reverse lamp at the back side of the car, and this activating the parking assistant. In addition, we have a mounting kit. It's two screws with double-sided sticky pad for mounting the rear view camera. We have user manual in English. We have one dry special wipe for installation the protective glass, which you can see before it's in the set. We need, with these wipes, clean the surface and after install the rear view. We have in the set the power supply, which you see is quite big, with long 3-meter long cable plus additional USB port for charging the mobile phone or some other gadgets. But this power supply is quite big, and I would like to have this the cigar lighter port free. For this reason I already ordered a hand wiring kit especially for this camera. Second, I will show you. So this one is the hand wiring kit. From one side is the mini USB connector, and I cannot show it you right now. Plus from another 3 wires. These 3 wires, it's helping, if it's necessary, to activate the security function of the camera during parking. More details I will provide you about this function when all these parts will be installed. As you can see, the rear view camera already installed above the main car registration number. So as you see, the rear view camera already installed next to main registration number. The GPS sensor installed at top right corner on the windshield, and let's see what we have. So let's power on the car and let's see what we have. So here is the video registrator, here is the main menu. These 2 arrows can your field of view move up or down. The next one, take a picture, block the video registrator, on off the microphone to make a record what happening at the salon of the car or not, stop recording if it's necessary, the logo of the Wi-Fi if you want to turn off the wireless because you want to access to recorded files from mobile through with certain application. Here is the file manager, and here is the settings. It's quite good file manager. You can see is the clear sorting of the records. Let's see front normal video what we have. Here we have quite good video player which can play the record with sounds, and you can review what do you have here. Here you can see the back if you want to go out, and here you can see the settings. The settings is in 3 groups. The general settings, it's the security mode, the stamp, time zone, sensitivity of G sensor, screensaver, and etc. The second one, the video settings, is the video resolution of the front of the rear camera and the loop recording. 1 minute. It's one record, it's take 1 minute. The third one is the system settings, is the language, format the SD card, because this mirror dashcam using micro SD card, and this micro SD card supplied by the mirror manufacturer. This is 64 gigabyte micro SD card supplied together with device. So the version, the GPS info, you can see, oops, and that back to the default settings. So the video registrator itself is a bit heavy, because when you are staying and the engine working and low RPM, you can see the small, very small vibration of the mirror, but it not impact the video recording quality. So this video registrator have only one physical button. If you want to turn off, just press it, and it's all. And you can see when I will power off the car, the video registrator will go to the security mode. And now it started the time-lapse recording. And in case you are storing your car somewhere where you don't need this security mode, you can just activate it, press and hold the button. Now the video registrator will turn off at security mode of the video registrator. Now you can see how the parking assistant working on this rear view mirror dashcam. I am turning on the reverse and you can see the view from rear camera and the parking assistant, the scale, and disappear. Now I will show you how you can access from mobile phone the recordings at the dashcam. Touching the screen to activate Wi-Fi, you can turn on off. It's turned on right now. You can see at the right corner the name of the hotspot and the password. Now we can go to the mobile phone. To access to the mirror dashcam, we need the application LuckyCam. We are touching it, and to connect to the mirror, touching the icon of the mobile phone. Now the mobile phone searching for the access point of the mirror here. Okay, touching to connect, because I am connected already. Now he's not asking for the password. The mobile phone can notify that the certain hotspot has no internet access. It's okay. Now we can touch the back arrow and you can see that the mirror or the front camera showing us. You can see the same picture at the mobile phone. To access to the folder, we need stop the recording, and after we can tap the folder icon. And here we are, all recording which is stored at the micro SD card of the camera. When you are touching the arrow, the application starts to download the certain recording. The download is quite fast. Okay, I don't want to download it. Press cancel, and it's all. You can see it's simple and clear. Back to the home screen and start the recording again. Thank you for watching.